Congrats on your brand new Fuji bike. Today we're going to show you how to assemble it. Your bike will come partially assembled, so first let's start with the tools you'll need. You'll need grease, a Phillips head screwdriver, wire cutters, a pedal wrench, a 15mm wrench, a 14mm wrench, a 6mm Allen key, and a pump. Start by opening the box and carefully remove the bike, saddle, training wheels, and the small parts box which contains the owner's manual and additional documentation. Using your wire cutters, remove any zip ties in addition to all other packaging material. You can also open up the small parts box, which will contain other parts needed for assembly. First, attach the seat post to the saddle using the 14mm wrench. You can also slide the reflector on now if you please. Secure the reflector in place with the screwdriver. Then, grease the seat tube before sliding in the seat post. Adjust the height as necessary and tighten the seat clamp. Next, we'll install the handlebars. Start by greasing the head tube. Loosen the quill stem with the 6mm Allen key and grease it as well. Then slide the stem into the head tube, making sure to pass the minimum insertion marks on the stem, then retighten with the Allen key. For the next step, you can go ahead and flip the bike over and grab the front wheel. Slide the axle onto the dropout, making sure the washer locks into the hole on the dropout. Tighten the bolts with the 15mm wrench. The 20-inch Rookie does not come with training wheels, and they are optional. To install the training wheels on the 12 and 16-inch bikes, remove the back axle nut and washer. Slide the training wheel into the mounting bracket. Slide both parts onto the axle and around the chainstay. Then reinstall the axle nut and tighten securely with the 15mm wrench. Repeat on the other side. Then, grease your pedal threads, noting the L and R markings on the spindle. Leaving the bike upside down, tighten the left pedal by turning the pedal wrench counterclockwise and the right pedal by turning the wrench clockwise. Now you can flip the bike back over onto its wheels. To adjust the handlebar angle, loosen the stem faceplate with the 6mm Allen key, adjust the angle, and retighten the bolts. You can also go ahead and throw on the Rookie handlebar pad. To adjust the stem alignment, loosen the top cap with the 6mm Allen key. Align the stem with the front tire and retighten the top cap. If you want, you can go ahead and install the front reflector, tighten with the screwdriver. To adjust the saddle angle, loosen the seat with the 14mm wrench, adjust to level, and retighten the seat. You want the training wheels to allow for some side-to-side movement. Loosen the axle nut and adjust if needed, then retighten the nut. To adjust the brake pad distance from the rim, you can use a combination of the adjustment screw on the brake arm and the adjustment nut on the brake lever. Finally, let's put some air in the tires. Grab your pump, remove the valve cap, lock the pump onto the valve, and air the tires up to the recommended pressure on the sidewall of the tire. Make sure to reinstall the cap afterwards. That's it. Thanks for picking Fuji, and if you have any questions, please contact customer service at the address in the video description.